are you down with it? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We here to present our poster with the material is
Pragmatics, meaning and context, and submatery of pragmatics is deixis.
Before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Safira Dwi Nurhayati. My number is 4.
And my name is Nada Fadalah, my number is 15. Meaning of deixis is from the Greek word deixis that means pointing field language.
Now, the function of deixis is to clarify what are interpreted in terms of which person, what place, or time the speaker has in mind.
Now, there are 3 types of deixis. The first, deixis to point to people. Example, us, them, those color. And second, deixis to point to place. Example, here, over there. And the last, deixis to point to time. Example, now and last week.
And then we have 3 main types of deixis. The first is person deixis. For close to speaker, we have me, us, our, and this girl. And then for not close to speaker, we have him, them, that woman, and that's ideas. And then the second, we have spatial deixis. For close to speaker, we have here, this bed behind me. And then for not close to speaker, we have there, those hills over yonder. And the last is temporal deixis. For close to speaker, we have now, today, this morning. And not to close to speaker, we have then, yesterday, last week, and next year. Now, relationship between quality education with deixis in pragmatics is first issue. Deixis is a language element that refers to context. For example, is person deixis like me, you, them, and then spatial deixis like here, there, and the last is temporal deixis like how, tomorrow, and later. In a multilingual or multicultural classroom, students can be misunderstood or confused because deixis depends on who is speaking, where, and when. Example is the teacher says, "Well, do this assignment here later." Foreign student may be confused when it's later, here in the classroom, in the book, or at the blackboard.
And the second is impact. Students from different language background. Example, local language speaker or immigrants may not understand the teacher intention. This can put them behind academically, forming a barrier to access to equitable and quality education.
The last is solution. Teacher training in pragmatics awareness, including how to convey information clearly and avoid ambiguous deixis. Multilingual education, where the concept of deixis is also explicitly taught so that students can adjust in various language contexts. Development of inclusive teaching materials such as visual explanation or explicit time and place markers.
So, the point is, unclear deixis can hinder understanding student, and it makes access to education difficult.